I see a lot of people jumping into ICT, smart money, because I think those are a trending strategy for like this generation of trading. When it comes to technical analysis, I read from the book Market Wizard. Technical analysis originated back in the 1980s. That is when people started using technical analysis. Do you know that a trader might be trading a strategy and you choose to trade that strategy and you end up losing with that strategy? People that really started the technical analysis and the chart pattern, they were like, humans repeat themselves in everyday life. Okay, what's your dad, what's your mom? If they are business people, if they are 9-to-5 workers, they repeat themselves. I know it's quite long. I dropped any video on this channel about a month ago. That's the last time I dropped video, but I'm going to be doing a day in life today. This day in life is just me explaining my goal for next year, because I have a lot coming up next year, and next year I'll be more consistent on this channel. I think I'll be dropping video 2 times a week from next year, and my trading is getting better. This is the good news I have to tell you guys. I took 10 trades and I won 6. This is the first, that's a 60% win rate from the 10 trades. And to be honest with you, those 10 trades have refined a lot of things inside them. Like all the trade position I took, I journaled them and I learned from them. I believe my next 10 trade is going to improve than this 10 trade. I believe the next one is going to be like 8. I'm going to win like 8 or 7. I can't really tell. It's all about the market condition and how we're going into the end of the year and the beginning of next year. But these are the things that I'm going to be doing for next year. Next year I'm going to be buying a 50k Profem account. I'm going to be trading that account, and I'm believing to pass it in 3 months if things continues like this. But I believe that this, this edge, the way I'm trading now, it works. It works. Like, no, I know if the trade I took yesterday I took 2 losses, and that was the first time I took a loss after like 4 wins in a row. I journal all the trade. I'm going to show you guys on the screen. This is on the screen. I journal all the trade, and I took 2 losses after 4 wins, and that's a great result. To be honest with you, I've never taken 4 wins in a row before. To be honest, I can't remember taking 4 wins in a row, so that's an improvement to me. And let me tell you what I did that helped me start seeing this result. I added something. Before, I used to use supply and demand, trend line, and I think higher time frame zones when analyzing for my technical analysis and everything. But I added market structure formations. I'm going to explain in detail by the end of this video how that market structure formation works. But this how this, like, just by adding this thing, improve my system drastically. And also I added liquidity. I used to hear a lot of people talk about liquidity online, but my liquidity is based on the 5-minute time frame, since I day trade and scalp. Most times from my journal or the 10 trades I took, on average the trade tends to last for like 30 minutes. So that's like a scalping system. So it's improving, and I'm happy for this. And like, guys, I'm going to tell you about it by the end of this video, especially that formation types and how it works. And it's just simple thing we all know, simple thing we have come across to tell you that technical might not really be the problem. Most times it's how you use it, how you use your technical analysis. That is where the whole problem is coming from. So a lot of people used to say psychology is a problem, psychology is a problem. Yes, psychology can be the major problem in trading, because most traders think get rich quick, let's get the money. Bro, trading doesn't work that way. When you come to trade every day, it's all probability. You can't tell if you're going to win or not. So the best thing you can do for yourself is to respect yourself and manage your risks. If you choose to not manage your risks, you're going to give the market all the money you've made for the month, for the week, and that is nonsense, because you're trying to be profitable, you're trying to make money, you're not basically trying to win. There's a difference between trying to win and trying to make money. Most people used to say psychology. Yeah, psychology is the problem. But bro, let me tell you something. If you have a bad edge, if you have a system that is not working, it can also cause a problem to your psychology. You might be a good trader when it comes to the psychological aspect. Let's say you know how to manage your risks, you know how to follow a rule, you know how to be disciplined every day, you know how to be consistent, and you know how to like coordinate yourself when trading without over leveraging, without over trading, and doing all the whole trading mistake newbies tend to make. You know all these things perfectly fine, but because you have a bad system, you're going to get cooked all the time. Do you know that a trader might be trading a strategy and you choose to trade that strategy and you end up losing with that strategy? It happens all the time, and I've seen it all the time. You might see a trader online trading with a trend line strategy and he's making money, he's being consistent, getting like 5% monthly, most times 6%, 7%, 8%, 9%. But you immediately find this strategy attractive and you start trading it the next month, and all of a sudden you just find yourself going on losing streak. You'll be like, this trader doesn't know what he's doing. Like, he's not really making money with that strategy. You start to doubt a lot of things, but you have not really did a research on how that particular strategy works. I think so. That can be the major reason, because it's not all about trading a strategy, it's trading a strategy the right way. Most times we pick a strategy and we trade that strategy wrongly 10 times, believing we are going to get a positive result, but we'll end up getting a negative result. I see a lot of people jumping into ICT, smart money, because I think those are a trending strategy for like this generation of trading. When it comes to technical analysis, I read from the book Market Wizard. Technical analysis originated back in the 1980s. That is when people started using technical analysis. Before then, people were using fundamental trading, and we tend to have these position traders more than technical traders. People, even when people started technical analysis, people were still arguing with them, telling them that they don't believe in it, that they don't believe that someone can use just zones, lines, and chart pattern to predict the market. But they were like, people that really started the technical analysis and the chart pattern, they were like, humans repeat themselves in everyday life. Okay, what's your dad, what's your mom? If they are business people, if they are 9 to 5 workers, they repeat themselves. Either they wake up a certain time every day. It might not be exactly the same time, but let's say between 6 a.m. to 7 a.m. they are up because they need to go to work. And that's the same thing with the charts. The chart repeats itself every day, every time. It might not be exactly the same way, but you will always find this repetitive behavior and pattern in the chart. So this is what those old inventors of chart pattern assumed, and they tested it and it worked. And that's what gave birth to the technical analysis everyone is trading now. And most people, they see argue fundamental, technical. Bro, anyone works. It's all about the trader and the experience. A trader might be trading technical analysis and it's not making money, while a trader using fundamental is making money. A trader might be using fundamental analysis, not making money, while a trader using technical analysis is making money. It all comes down to the experience those set of traders have and how they implement that particular approach. This channel is just to document my trading journey and also show other traders the process and the journey. A lot of people always get excited for the success, but they don't like embrace the journey. Like Jeku said, there's joy in the process, but like he said something like this, like love yours. I don't know if you listened to that song. He was like joy is in the process, then ugliness in the success, something like that. Yeah. So if this is your first time coming across this video or my channel, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. Subscribe right now and also like this video and share it to your friends. Like, this summertime breeze is so crazy. So the particular thing I added to my chart that really improved me drastically in this 10 trade sample is this. Number one is the head and shoulder pattern we all know, where price will be bullish, then price is going to shift, turn bearish, and continue to the downside. And also double top and double bottom. We have heard a lot of traders saying they use it for their confirmation and their entry signal. Even triple top and triple top. Triple top and triple bottom, sorry about that. Those are the like pattern I implement. I also use pullback, and this is normal because when price is pushing to the upside, it's going to correct and continue. When it's pushing to the downside, it's going to correct and continue. And I pay attention to all this pattern. And lastly, liquidity. I believe a lot of people trade liquidity because I've been hearing people telling me they trade liquidity. Or I used to watch my friend video on his comment section, way ups, I guess you guys know him, way ups. On his comment section, people will be like, bro, add liquidity, because he trades supply and demand. Me, I also use supply and demand. I've been trading supply and demand since, but I don't know why these things are not working. Like before I tested these 10 trade samples, me, I do test 10, I don't test more than 10, bro. And if I test 10, it gives me up to like 5 wins, 6 wins. I know I'm positive, I know I'm good. Like right now, it gave me 6 wins out of 10. I know I'm good, because that's a positive win rate. In the long run, it might be more or less, but it's positive at the end of the day. And I just want to keep on improving and make sure I have a good system that's going to make me money. At the end of the day, it's not all about winning. I'm not even focused on the like high win rate strategy. I'm not focused on trying to win all my trade or trying to end the day profitable. What I'm focused on is how can I have a system that is going to make me money. Like by the end of the month, can I make 5%, 10%, risking 1%? That is what I'm focused on. I'm not even focused on flipping. But if I have a strategy that can help me flip account, that's also great. All glory to God, all glory to the Lord. Sorry, but I'm not focused on that. What I'm focused on is how can I be profitable. I think this vlog is going to be ending here, and if you like content like this, don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. This channel was just created to document my trading journey, and I'm going to catch you guys on my next video. I'm going to be creating another vlog next week. This channel is going to be more focused on vlogs like this, where I'll just explain a lot of things and show charts. But right now, I'm not going to be trading for now, because I think I'm going on break till next year. We are approaching ending of the year. The market tends to be choppy. I'm even testing this particular system when the market condition tends to be bad. When the market conditions start going crazy, like start making sense, I think it will be better. I'll have better results. So I'm going to catch you guys next video. Peace out, and I will see you soon. Peace and stay blessed, guys. MZ, I'm out.